On 31st March 2022, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, had inaugurated the Umpling Bridge that connects RR Colony to Umpling locality. The bridge had earlier been dismantled and later reconstructed by the PWD department at a total project cost of Rs 4.35 crores and can withstand weight of total capacity of 70 metric tons. Those present during the event included MLA of Mawryngkneng, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, Headman of Umpling, Sanwat F Pyngrope, PWD officials, residents of the area besides others. Speaking after the inaugural function, Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong said that the Umpling locality will become an important passage that will connect other localities to New Shillong, wherein various offices would be located. He added that a proposed privately invested state-of-the-art hospital in New Shillong is also in the pipeline.
See, I'm so happy, and this ultimately the aspiration of this area is met today, where we inaugurated, and I'm sure by opening of this bridge, it will boost, it will help easing the hardship of the people this side. The total cost of this bridge is 5 crores. No, there is no extra additional cost leading to the undue delay. But as I said, it is completed within the prescribed original sanction amount.
Furthermore, Tynsong also informed on the proposed beautification of Shillong town, starting with the reconstruction of Yodo, which is the oldest marketplace in Meghalaya and also a separate market area to house street hawkers in the city.
Beautify Yodo ade nado kaporo barimu baza. Tingin gua ban penkitanat biang dia ke Yodo. Bat itwa lu entang yo jaka nas ngomu asobrop yo skem le. Pula transfer ya ke jaka lai kita. Anu sim lim sya kesokan. Lembah urban affairs department. Bat hakim ki lai kita. Kebagi kuah bandai kolong. Bagi senaru yang atau kayu dan kementar kini di street hawkers. Kiba song syakelen yang salai bukan syam motran yang syam polis jakelen. Di estimate lah untuk nukras pak ngut kebakum kita. Bangin akomodir ya ki hakawe dijaga. Kabalong hygienic, kabakut kabasubat, long hit pun katoyo. Lalu pelik syatiway pak kiri POE bagi judon ke tukar weekly market kaba kita senabah bagi syong itu di nong di terengi on weekly kan long daily market ban syong itu kena bagi ninja kaba ar pada ban penlai pergi kabia ban kaba lai belum bagi POE kita tenang tu